So my name is Noah, and I participated last summer in Small is Beautiful in Bezalel Academy of Art and Design. It was a very, very special experience for me to have a course I can take next to my studies and meet two very different and also very similar disciplines which we have worked with. I study in the visual communication department, and the work in the course was a combination of architecture and knowledge that these students bring, industrial design, and my department. I really enjoy working with small groups together with all these combined skills. And I think a very strong point for this course and something that I can go with to other courses and ways of thinking was a combination of taking real needs and something that is important to me, like sustainability and thinking about the real environment that we live in, having a study case and working with a small group on a real subject and a question that we ask. And the last thing I can say for myself, that working with Pooja on the project, which came from Mumbai, also brought me a new friend into my life, and later on I have visited her in India, and also gave a very new perspective that leave aside the disciplines we're coming from, the culture we're coming from, is so diverse and has also some meeting points, which was fascinating for me to study from and to see her way to look upon my city, which is Jerusalem.
My name is Alam. I'm a student in Bezalel. This is a short review on Small is Beautiful, a course that I took last summer in Bezalel. The uniqueness of the course is in three aspects. The first one is its multiculturalness, which in our case meant that a group of students and a professor from Mumbai came and participated with us in the course. That was really an eye-opening experience to see how they approached your problem and what they considered a problem, which was really different from a Western point of view or Israeli point of view. The second aspect is the interdisciplinary method of the course, which basically we were combined the groups of three disciplines: architecture, visual communication, and industrial design. And each discipline brought its own set of tools, set of thinking, but there was no barrier in the process of thinking about the problem. So there was no aspect of what discipline should deal with what problem, and all the group dealt with the problem, combining their efforts and rethinking on the process from your own point of view of the discipline, but not only maintaining yourself to one discourse of a problem. The third aspect is the approach of the course to sustainability, which was really interesting to see how you don't consider sustainability only as a scientific problem or political, economical problem, but also as a social problem. And how can you learn from groups of social lower income classes, and how can you learn from them that they are normally more sustainable, not because they're trying to be more sustainable, just because they are more sustainable? And how can you take that social aspect to the sustainable problem? So in general, that was really a really great course, and that's it. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Dvir. I was an assistant lecturer at the summer course of Small is Beautiful. So apart from practical tools and methods that we learned throughout the course, what the course actually did, it changed my mindset towards sustainability because it really makes you stop and rethink design and take into consideration the impact that you have while developing a product. So working alongside with other designers from different backgrounds and disciplines was really helpful, because you get a chance to look at a project through a different set of eyes, which you're not accustomed to. You expose yourself to all kinds of different approaches that has to do with design, which was very helpful in solving and approaching a lot of issues that were raised during the course. In conclusion, I think that it's vital that systems take sustainability in design approaches and integrate them into all the phases of decision making, from individuals through to business leaders and even governments.